This is our journey here. Invite our people, let them join us. Usheji, Uze, Uzoka. I see you there. Oye Biafra. Tony Odezi. I see you there, Mazi. You are welcome. Please, as you are all joining here, invite our people, let them join us. Odoms, Keleshi, I see you there. Possible James, I see you there. Please, as you are joining here. As you are joining here, invite our people. Ekene Daniel Keke, Mazi, I see you there. Good evening. God, we bless you. Mazushemi, God, we protect you. You are lifted. Jojo, God, we see your soul. Unlike people, you are lifted. This is my nation. Biafra is my nation. God, we protect you. Mazushemi, God, we see your soul. Moses, everything is okay. Possible. I'm fine, Emmanuel King. Raphael, Adolf, I see you there. Biafra is my nation. Nnamdi Kanu, you are a winner. Mazushemi, you are a winner. Chika Edozie, you are a winner. Jojo Ibe, you are a winner. This movie has been defeated. If not their army, they have been conquered. I be a winner with the winner. Now our freedom did it so. MC Don, Washuku. I be a winner with the winner. Now our freedom did it so. I be a winner with the winner. Now our freedom did it so. I be a winner with the winner. I be a winner with the winner. Shina, Kwe. I see you there. Thank you for joining. Please, as you are joining, Edu SNC. Thank you so much. IPOB on the everyday. IPOB on the everyday. On the everyday. is my nation. Nnamdi Kanu, ìwà ìwé náà. Bàtúnṣe mi fọ́ ìkúta ìwé náà. Chika Edozie, ìwà ìwé náà. Ṣoṣo
Hello?
ìwà ìwé náà. Disobey has been defeated.
Okay.
Nnamdi Kanu, may I be over. I be a winner, 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 I'm a winner.
Sister Kara Gold, you're welcome. Emeka Agu, Edwin, I see you there. Thank you very much. Without wasting too much of our time, I will just go straight to play our national item. So we call it a day. We just go straight to the topic we will get today. And I've already see the topic for that place. The so-called South and their sabotage when it comes to the freedom of the people. That's what we want to talk about today. So, let's play our national anthem. Onyeka. Shall protect our lives from lawful. But if the price is death for all we hold dear, then let us die without the strength of fear. Hail to be a consecrated nation, O Fatherland, this free of soul and pledge, defending thee shall be a daily Thank you very much, wonderful people, great Biafrans, friends of Biafran, people of goodwill all over the world. As I don't rightly know, my name is Efe Uwanogo Omote Biafra, Birobo Biafra from the coastal region of Biafra land. If it's your first time when they come across this page, Omote Biafra TV, may you like, follow this page, hit the notification bell so that you will get notified each time when I stream live. And if you want to follow me on other my platform, also follow me at the same name now they use for every other of my platform on Twitter, on Instagram, on YouTube, everywhere. And before we go straight to the analysis we'll get to today, I know say every one of us they kind of sad. I know say not be disappointed, but we'll be very, very sad due to the report of today after the visit to our Supreme Leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But before I go use this opportunity to tell every one of us say, no matter anything we say they happen for that place, the sun must rise, and not be anything we say it need to put us in a state or in a spirit of discouragement. Rather, that's not to give us more strength, more strength. There is the same way talk say freedom is not given, freedom is taken, and freedom not be something when people say you go just 5, 2 days, 3 days, you go just get in a snap of hand. You work very, very hard for it. That is why when you now finally achieve that freedom, you see the way people they cherish their nation, see the way they cherish everything about them, see the way they value them. That is how it is. It's one of those things where we say we go see as a freedom fighter for this particular time when we do so. Meanwhile, make we pray to Ogeno Olise, Chukwu Okike Abiyama, make you come see us through this very evening. Ogeno Olise, Chukwu Okike Abiyama, right now we are right kokore. Owa na soon and I gonna discuss if I can affect various indigenous people of Biafra. Ogeno Olise, I just will love various name more time back up perfect when I was you, but where you are. Also, now whether no we care the care, then whether increase the spirit of recognize avari. Spirit of determination avari, spirit of focusness avari. Avenue resources age avari need the record continue that propagate the gospel redemption. Ogeno Olise, whether continue that provide the ekara. Ogeno Olise, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Omo where was you okay na in a rest avari Biafra of the shackle of demons in Nigeria. Ogeno Olise, from no jaro de oriana, what volume be on one blend of 18, Ogeno Olise. Ogeno Olise, what volume bowl of baby, avari, what volume be so one was you already. Oyi Messiah okay avari, Ogeno Olise, what any I can't incarcerate there, I can't imprison me, I can't equal be. But it touched on a very old janana, a leader avari Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Ogeno Olise, Obuganore, he will talk a walk and I prove all my work around me Biafra, O janana buno. I read any or vovo, we group with vovo, we nation vovo, Kaganya cha of rescue avari. One vono ya se kasokuvu, and no one okese lweki opo o ebu okese lweki o maraye. Ave lu o baba phone ave lu asipo akpo asemowe. Ogeno Olise, what you know a party where over Tanana. Ave lu asayagba ave teri o ya ave lu kedi. Ogeno Olise, wa mle kujo be a team up inure. By time Biafra na United Nations go not to tell you, if America go not to tell you, British, if woman could be go not to tell you. Ogeno Olise, where you have never walk or where you have said the kedo. When you intervene or vote on an organa ride. Ogeno Olise, what because other than a woman move over, I look by where all over all Javani Biafra was your Jaiten. Ogeno Olise, what because you woman will go about it. So then what set a free. One a representative you will work bonana. I want to auto Biafra kingdom on this earth. Ogeno Olise, where is the Emisdre no na Ivorajo? Who was the Emisdre? Ogeno Olise, what you see about Teleban or Janana Buganore. Ogeno Olise, when na Buganore, or the Supreme Leader na Omoga with DSS. Or I joke with a move over, I judge a treatment, I jolly move over Ogeno Olise. One waiting for boy of what you wait for, but what you went na right now. Or Canana or Ghana ride Ogeno Olise. Nya intervene with your kill it about Covid. Carry more strength, energy, or need your kin and Ogeno Olise. I must say, we're banning. I go on your more for Okatani, I make a mistake there. Ogeno Olise, when you intervene or ban or Tanana or Ghana Barre, what because. All you have out Ogeno Olise. Because when you intervene or Tanana, or my have not Ogeno Olise. I say we care the kedo. Or my have not in what they look about when you look about Okina or Gagana, Karani Biafra. Wọ́n lu kàwárí ọ̀kìnànà gbani abẹ́bíwo àṣàbọ̀bù àwọ̀ òkúbọ̀bù abẹ́kẹ́sì ọ̀kìnànà ọ̀nà àwàtà ni wọ́n lu kàwárí abẹ́ní Biafra iṣẹ́ 100%. Thank you very much, my people, wonderful people, great Biafran, friends of Biafran, people of goodwill all over the world. Oh, when I don't already see the topic when this happen for that place. Our supreme leader, the outcome of the visit today, they friendly at all. The outcome not they friendly, and to me, I'm not disappointed. I'm not scared, but I they sad. And the reason why they sad is say our supreme leader they suffer for. Let me say they suffer for everybody, and the some people maybe say if they for that place, they don't even know the purpose or the reason why our supreme leader they for the DSS dungeon. And they do, I don't understand the right word to use at this particular time, but I will find the right word to use as time goes on, because as it is today, they say they say a drop of a kerosene can dissolve a basin of water. Because we say make we keep quiet, make we carry leaf take cover shit, make we pick sherry, make we dey go house. But as it is, still they get worse on daily basis. We find ourselves in a more critical condition than we go ever would everly expect. All these things they happen, not me say, not because the zoo government is more powerful than us, or because they get more allies than us. No, everybody we don't pass through this process when they pass through today. They see that as in we don't engage themselves for freedom. They don't see pass through the process when they pass through today. But you know what make the fit overcome and to take succeed. Togetherness, consistency, in unity, when all of them come together, when they come as in achieve this common goal, when they say to achieve freedom, when they say they will be enjoying when they go enjoy, generation upon generation will enjoy them. But in the case of Biafra own, it can't be like say we get even more enemy, we can't be enemy of ourselves more than external enemy. We can't be enemy of ourselves more than external enemy. We be say we the face as a people. Our supreme leader before now, the lawyer don't give this announcement. Say they don't carry clothes, everything. Make they go give our supreme leader. Make him do exchangement for that place. He said, but the so-called people when they in charge of that place, say they don't want make it take all those things when before this they go present to them. Both the things when they say into they pray. They don't want make all those things get to them. Now, the zoo government they get upper hand, they do whatever they do for that place. Not because of say IPOB have not done enough. Not because of say we never create more awareness. But there are some internal saboteur. When I mean internal saboteur, I'm not even they talk about the ones who they see on social media. Maybe we see group of people come emerge, come they fight IPOB. No, they are internal saboteur, especially from the so-called South. The role when the so-called South they play for the struggle of Biafra. The sabotage, I'm not sure say even the people waiting for social media they play that kind of sabotage. Because when it comes to the affair of Biafra, we make them very, very clear. Our Supreme Leader make them very, very clear. He said these are the people that are included in the struggle of Biafra. Now our Supreme Leader is in the DSS dungeon. And they see a lot of us on social media today now, or some of us, we don't go mad, we don't go crazy, we don't shout, something must be done, this one must be done, that one must be done. We don't do that for social media for a very long time now. And some of us, we there for diaspora. When it come for the so-called South, we cannot want use the word coastal region today because at the verse. Some of us, we there for this place. For where we go for, when they go for whole protest, sometimes protests go gather. We go to see thousands of Igbo Biafran for that place. We go only they see few people will come for the so-called South in that place. But now full social media part, they talk say we must take action, we must do this one, we must do that one, we must do that one. When are there for social media, they go they do gathering to go they discuss how way forward, how we go take do make we take carry our supreme leader come out. We not go there for the gathering. We not go there for the gathering, we not go there, we not they contribute in any way apart from commenting on social media, apart from attacking on social media, doing no manner of things in that place. And they see a lot of them there for Italy here. If they see me, they talk about South people when they for Italy here, when they love the freedom for Biafra. But when we are going to protest, you hardly see them in their midst. You hardly see them in our midst. Because it go back to what they happen for the Zoological Republic of Nigeria, when the role where the so-called South see they play for that place, when they give the zoo government the energy and strength, when they say they do whatever they do for that place, they go declare lockdown. They go declare sit at home. Only 5 states for the east, now go they sit down for house. Only 5 state place now go lock down. All of them feel I don't care. But when it come to pointing finger, saying as so that they sabotage. Igbo people they sabotage the struggle. If it is way the majority of Igbo people wait there for the struggle, we wait come for the so-called South. We see they like that. Even when they come get sabotage the way we they get up today, you know what they effective. You know what they effective. These people, majority of these sabotage the way that they emerge today, not because of say they really don't want the struggle, they don't want anything, but some of them they emerge because of the I don't care attitude one and they feel toward the struggle and they emerge. The annoyance of say we are not a sacrificial land to come and die for everybody. Una don't make our land they ungovernable for us. Una don't make our land they under siege. That is what is driving some of these saboteurs one of they see today, they drive them, they come outside. Now our supreme leader is so-called DSS custody. What is this Pandef doing about it? What did Pandef they do about it? The last time we they talk about as they kidnap our supreme leader, may they go they attack all those pipelines and all those things when they for that place. The so-called Niger Delta Avengers, or whatever they call them, the Niger Delta boys for that place. They don't see hand and leg to waka go that place. But it reach for them to come carry them, go protest or to go fight for Anambra State. They make themselves available. They make themselves available to go to Anambra State to come and cause chaos. If Anambra youth come get angry now, come and say, okay, this election will not hold. Then they'll come be say the so-called the so-called South youth and this Anambra youth, they come clash. Then we'll start killing with ourselves. You must see the sabotage role where the so-called South they play, not only for freedom, not only for Biafra struggle. They are playing this sabotaging role to the entire freedom that have to do with everybody, that including the entire Nigeria. The so-called South, they are the most wicked. They are the most wicked region in Nigeria. Because up until now, agitation is going everywhere in Nigeria. Not only they keep silent, and the reason why they keep silent is because of the struggle of Biafra. They have been bribed. They don't bribe them, they don't raise any alarm. They don't shut all of them up, they don't raise any alarm. If any of them won't raise an alarm now to come attack Nnamdi Kanu. If anybody from South want to raise an alarm that have to do with freedom, he must first of all attack Nnamdi Kanu or attack IPOB Fair before he can go make points concerning freedom. The middle belt are agitating. Are the middle belt not agitating? Are the Oduduwa people, the Yoruba people, are they not agitating? Why is there no agitation? Even when there is one in the east, why are the so-called South not supporting? Why are they not supporting? Because when they point finger. The only thing when people like us can't get voice and they speak for today, if the people when start or when they pilot and when they engineer say we still stand up like that. I'm not just saying we go for where we did today. It's not by chatting on social media. I love Nnamdi Kanu. What are our people doing? What are our people to do? What will be the role where the so-called SASA they play for this struggle, even for the kidnap of our supreme leader? What is the role? What role are we playing concerning this issue? What will be the role when they play concerning this issue? Because the way they see when it comes to the kidnap of our supreme leader, everybody leave the job for the Igbo people to do it. Yes, that is how I'm saying it, and that is how it is. Not that is how I'm saying it. That is how it is. When it comes to the freedom of the kidnap of our supreme leader, it's left for the Igbo to go and bring out their brother from the prison, from the DSS dungeon, or to go and rescue their brother. But when it comes to the freedom, well, anybody una won't come show and say we are part of this freedom for Biafra. Una dey part of the freedom for Biafra. Now una go to come, and when una dey come and the necessary things what una supposed to do to show say una dey part of the freedom for Biafra, una no dey do am. Una dey nowhere to do am. Una no dey anywhere to do am. I want to see a place where as populated as so-called South people full for France reach, for Italy reach, for Germany reach. I want to see a protest where they hold a protest and una go full massively like that. Mona dey among the make they see una follow everywhere, say una dey massively like that. Make they see una action among everything wey be say dey happen for that place. Una not get any contribution, una dey contribute apart from commenting, apart from lamenting, apart from their seller, apart from their do that. Apart from lamenting, apart from their seller, apart from their do that. If the togetherness when they don't gather so far in order for our supreme leader to be released, say more energy, more support is being pushed from the so-called South. I believe say the zoo government they go for do the needful. I believe say they go for do the needful. Every blame is being when they put blame on a particular people, up until now. If it is go wrong, una go blame them. If it is go bad, una go blame them. If it is go and it is not they go well, not only that they go blame. And una way they blame people, una never contribute nothing, zero.com. You have not contributed nothing, zero.com, and don't contribute for this struggle. No, don't contribute for this. They don't kidnap our supreme leader now by now. Everywhere for they inflame. Everywhere supposed to they inflame. But the people who are supposed to do it, they have sat on it. They are also they for that place. The only time when Asari Tokubo will come and speak is that they want to do election in Anambra State. I don't know what it concern Asari Tokubo concern election that they do for Anambra State or what they want to do for Imo State. I've never seen a place where they will do election for Bayelsa State. Then you will not see a man from Imo State or a man from Anambra State will not come to say the election in Bayelsa State must hold. Or you call they interfere for the election when they want to do for Delta State. You are not a politician. You are a supposed freedom fighter. I don't know what it go concern you when you call they give your own speech, they join this matter. That is why they vex for people like the Nelly Wewe. And that is why they even vex for Simon Ekpa joiner. Because they're supposed to they see the handwriting of the wall. They say people who you see that they don't like you, they don't, as in, they despise you, the name, they despise the name, Igbo. Una go see they recruit them, una go see they dey for their mates. They see they fight una brothers, una sister. That is why I'm very, very angry with you. Apart from the utterances when they give for social media, when they bring all this confusion, una go see they team up with, they see they do all those things. I mean, una feel that they see una different from the Igbo people when they for inside POB. You think those so-called Niger Delta, I mean, these so-called. Sorry, Mazi. Please don't call me yet, please. You think they are different from the ones that you are? They see you differently from the ones from the one that they are seeing in IPOB or the ones they are fighting against. That is why I'm very angry with those of them who are springing up as saboteur to be fighting against their brother. I want to see a place where an Urhobo man will have something to champion. Then Urhobo man will go and join an Igbo man to destroy an Urhobo man. I want to see a place where an Efik man will have something to champion. Then an Efik man will go and support an Igbo man or support an Urhobo man to destroy his Efik brother. I dey wait to see that history. I dey wait to see that thing. I dey wait to see that situation. I dey wait to see that scenario. Is it that you people don't have sense or you people are dead daft? I mean, because it gets something where they say they worry on for you. I mean, they swear for una. They swear for una. Say una don't get sense or they see the handwriting on the wall say the hate is not a party because of Nnamdi Kanu, it's not a party because of IPOBs or it's not because of anything. The reason why you are being rejected reject this struggle for your hand the way it is today is because of say you be Igbo man. That is why it's being rejected on your hand. You know they see the handwriting for war. You that foolish to that essence? Are you that foolish to that instance? Everything that is going on in that place, Yoruba people have made it clear that they want Yoruba nation. Okay, let's assume today the struggle for Biafra is for the Igbos. What it be with for the people for the so-called South? What are they doing? What do they have in their hands? What it be thing with the champion? What are the things? What things are they championing? What it be the things when they say that they get from one with the champion? They don't get anything. I tell them that they say the silentness of these people is a sabotage. Their body language is a sabotage. Their donkey attitude towards this struggle is a sabotage. These people, they have sat on everybody in the so-called South. They have sat on everybody. Nobody can speak in that place. Nobody can raise up their voice in that place. As a matter of fact, they want Nnamdi Kanu die to die in the prison. Because the greatest fear of the so-called South people, especially the elite, is to see Igbo succeed in this cause for freedom. The greatest fear, the greatest heart attack that will hit the so-called South leaders and some individuals in that place to see an Igbo man succeed in this struggle. I'm telling you the truth. That is why you see their silent attitude, their silent sabotaging body language everywhere. if we did not come together to champion this struggle for Biafra? What else or who else and how else do you think we are going to get freedom as a people? Or now don't forget about freedom. Or we are not being marginalized. We are not being enslaved. We are not living in misery. This marginalization does not, they touch us from the South. Is that what the so-called South elite are telling me and some individuals in that place? Is that what the South elite are telling me? That we are not being marginalized, we are not being enslaved in the so-called South. That everything that is happening in the Middle Belt, happening in the Southwest, and happening in the East, that we are not being touched. We are not being touched. They touch us. Now we they live for the contaminated area. When you check the history of the people in diaspora, when you take the people in diaspora that came in a very dangerous manner, take the highest risk to get to Europe, are the people from the so-called South. Are the people from the so-called South. When you are checking the rate of poverty today, I'm not talking about the Alamajiri, all those people. When we are talking about rate of poverty today, you will not go exit the so-called South. I'm not talking about individuals who have enriched themselves on the expenses of the people. We are from the rich. We there for our zone, our land, our state. They rich. As an individual, are we rich? Are we living the way human beings are supposed to be, as the way citizens are supposed to be living? We they live the way citizens are supposed to be live. Waiting come be this silence concerning this freedom. Waiting be the silent, but this language one of una call a place, silent saboteur one call a place for that place. Waiting be the essence. Waiting una start to gain now. Waiting una start to gain now. If una the canu fail, una the canu God forbid bad things, una the canu can't die for that place now, for example. Waiting una can't start to gain, una go clap for herself. Una go say they are fair again. Or una go dey happy, una go celebrate and be. No be waiting una want to be that. No wonder una use una people to do amnesty. No wonder una use una people to do amnesty when I call the girl warlord. I want to see where one place when they go to say this so person and warlord for the expenses of his people. I want to see it from the east, for any place Anna Brian no go and say for the expenses of his people. Now it will become warlord. Only in South. Only in South you will see warlords that on the expenses of their people, they will be parading about like mad people. Only in South. Only in South you'll be seeing warlords. They will call they get title on the expenses of their people. Only in South, very hopeless people. Very hopeless people. Very wicked souls, as you see there for that place. So very wicked souls. They do not mean well for themselves, not to talk of they won't mean well for others. They do not mean well for themselves, not to talk of they won't mean well for others. The clerk is close to his grave in that place. If the clerk is close to his grave, the only time he made comment concerning our Supreme Leader on this, they say, give him fair trial. Give him fair trial. You could not condemn the Nigerian state for kidnapping a man who have done nothing wrong to them. Shakawo is still parading about in that place. The end of bandits is still parading about in that place. Nothing has happened to them. The head of Miyetti Allah is number one, the third most terrorist organization in the world, is still parading about in that place. Nobody has tempered the call. You could not condemn it. You were beating around the because you are a saboteur. You will not be very wicked people. The people from the so-called South, you are very wicked, the elites. Some individuals in that place, even apart from the elite, some individuals in that place, you are so wicked. Una sit down on top of the matter. Una no want make it go forward, no want make it go back. Una sit down for the top because una want to celebrate the failure of an Igbo man. You want to celebrate the failure of an Igbo man. You are neither in or out. You are with some of you, apart from the elite, those of you claim to be part of the struggle. Una there for fence. You are on the fence. You want to get Italian document, 2-year document, so that you can still be going to Nigeria. But the people who you are still pointing and accusing at, the people you are doing a manner of things, or you are accusing, tearing them apart on social media, they are the one sacrificing their blood, they are the one contributing, they are the one going for protest, they are the one that cannot go back to Nigeria, they are the one that cannot venture go back home. This thing is very painful for me. You want to be given 2-year documents so that you can rushly go to Nigeria. I'm a freedom fighter. You are a Kimbo, your face cannot be seen anywhere. Your face cannot be seen anywhere. Something must be done, action must be taken, but you are nowhere to be found. If they say, okay, let action be taken, can you go to Delta State and mobilize boys and let action take place? Can you go to Akwa Ibom? Can you go to Bayelsa and organize boys and let action take place? Abi, are we going to allow only the Igbo to take the action? As usual. As usual. Are we going to allow only them to be taking the action? Nnamdi Kanu is sick. The blame is on the Igbos. Nnamdi Kanu leg break. The blame is on the Igbo. They suspend the election. The blame is on the Igbo. The Sitaton suspended. The blame on what is our participation in this struggle? What is our participation? What is our contribution? What is our contribution? If only talking alone or typing on keyboard behind phones alone can give us freedom. For no, maybe people like us for not committing. If for not committing, there has never been a place where freedom is being given, where they have about 13 states, only 5 states is active. Where they have about 30 states, only 5 states is active. Igocha, we see the things they get tougher for that place. See the way we can massacre the Igbos. In massacre, the nation say their blood flow like water. How do we intend to go? Waiting they happen, sef. Waiting they happen. Are they short of work? Waiting they happen, my people. Waiting they happen. This is wickedness. This is wickedness. This is wickedness. It's better to be a pure saboteur and that your face is out there than for this method of silentness. I don't care what they do for that place. Because this way we won't force, it go beat everybody. It go beat everybody. If you are prepared for action, be fully prepared. Don't be prepared only on social media. Or don't ginger people into war. Or don't ginger people into action. When they look at their back, you are nowhere to be found. You are not behind them. You want to ginger them to fight action. When they look behind, you are nowhere to be found. You are nowhere to be found. The last time ESN was launched, I saw representatives from everywhere. Up until now, I have not seen any action wey don take place for Bayelsa. I have not seen any action. The only place when I don't even hear small now, all those Okwan across river, all those places. Where are the remaining generals? Are there no Fulani settlement in that place? Are there no IPOB unit or IPOB people gathering in that place? What are they doing? What are these people doing? I not put the blame on now. I not put the blame on now. People when they blame where now the so-called some individual Igbo people, whether they use their brain knock for granted, I don't know whether they match their sense for granted, I don't know whether they see the handwriting on the wall. Now they blame. Truth of God. Now let me they blame whether they match for their sense for granted. I don't know for now. People who have never been united, they have never united for any reason. Since the region, the so-called Sasat, they have never united. The only unity when they don't intend to unite now to come unite against the cause that we are fighting to come and liberate every one of us. Now you come and see say Okuwa, Wike, what is they call her? Governor of Bayelsa State. Omo Agege, what did they call her? The so-called Pandef leader. Now they call the unification of demons, unity of vultures. They have never united up until now. They have never been. Call me, please. I'm using the phone. That is why you see there is still conflict between the what do they call her? Chekiri, the Urobo, the Ijo. There is still conflict in today as we speak. The only reason why the whole thing is kind of getting silent is for them to make it not be like say the whole thing won't come together now. Agitation is already on ground. May not get a leakage to pay explode. They are trying to quench it. We are united. We are Niger Delta. We are South. We are this one. They have never been united. There has never been unity in that place. There has never been unity. There has always been a conflict. These people are wicked. That is why in 2020, I made a video when I shot very loudly. I told my Igbo Biafrans, I said I cannot deceive any of you because you can see it from our Supreme Leader arrest now, the way they are all silent. I'm not talking about, I'm from Coastal Region and social media. I'm not talking about those people. I'm talking about the people who has more power to participate. Levanos. Tochukwu Levanos, why are you calling me? What if that person where they comment just now don't block you? So South is not part of Biafra. Is that why you people are quiet? Is all to do what part of Biafra? Are they not agitating for freedom? All to do what people, are they part of Biafra? Are they not agitating for freedom? The middle Betans, are they part of Biafra? Are they not agitating for freedom? Do you need to be Biafran before you agitate for freedom? Or you don't see the marginalization and the enslavement in that place? Are you not seeing the marginalization and the enslavement in that place? Okay, now the Biafran way they say, and I come make una the Biafran way they say, and I make una prefer. Okay, let me block this person. Let me block him. Because you cannot be calling person, the person is blocking you. You continue to call to spoil it. Let me block him. Let me block him. Let me block him. Because cannot see somebody doing broadcast and you'll be calling like a madman. Let me block him. Block. Block. So, what are you saying? Go and check history. South has never been part of Biafra. If you are from Delta State, when you become South, as Delta State be part of South or Niger Delta State and Edo State, they're part of Niger Delta before. Delta State and Edo State, were they part of Niger Delta before? The German that suggested the name Biafra, now where it come from? Philippe Effiong, that was second in command to General Colonel Ojukwu. Where is it from? In those times, where did they call the place? Not be East. They know all Eastern region. And in those times, Delta State and Edo State were Midwest. So all of a sudden, you are from Delta State, you have become part of Niger Delta and South. But from time immemorial, you were never South. You are quick to write now say South has never been part of Biafra. As Delta State, mean that came from Delta State, was that part of South before? Was that not forcefully added to South? Did they consult me before they added me to South? Was I consulted? Before I was called Niger Delta, was I consulted? Was I Niger Delta from the beginning, from the onset? Was I Niger Delta? the place where Atiku come from, wetin be that place name? Adamawa. Was Adamawa part of Nigeria for the first place from the beginning? Was Adamawa state, was it part of Nigeria for the beginning? You dumb heads, go and check history. South have not been part of the Biafra. Then if South is not part of Biafra, so we should continue living in abject poverty because it's not part of Biafra. So we will not champion for anything that has to do with freedom. So because South is not part of Biafra, then you will sit back, watch, and injustice be committed against your fellow countrymen. And you want the same people that know. And they ask you now, was Adamawa part of Nigeria from the beginning? Was Delta State part of Niger Delta and South from the beginning? What are you saying? Wait till they talk. That's why I get very much angry when I see somebody from Iguacha, Cross River State, from Port Harcourt, from Bayelsa. They claim saying in people went there for Edo State and Delta State say they be brothers and sisters because they are not in Niger Delta. They started sharing you from time memorial, from Eastern region, from Eastern region. They share you to Midwest and Southeastern. From Southeastern, they share it again to South Niger Delta. Why are they not sharing the Southwest like that? Why are they not sharing the North like that? Why are they not sharing it like that? Why are they not sharing like that? Why on all come they different? Why on all they different? Saboteurs everywhere. Wicked people. You are the most wicked people in Nigeria. And because of those who are wicked, they deliberated to do so, they go suffer. They go see, they go suffer. You people will suffer. It's not a quick person talk. No. South have never been part of Nigeria. Were you Nigerian from the beginning? You became Nigerian in 1914. Why you not stand to say I was never Nigerian from birth? Why do you not stand to say I was never Nigerian from onset? Why you not stand to fight against Nigeria? Nigeria is just 100 and something years. How old is your grandfather? How old is your grandfather? Three regions were brought together to form Nigeria. That make it Wazobia. So if it's 6 states, 13 states is brought together to form Biafra, what is wrong in it? What is there wrong in it? Evil people in nature. You want to blame everybody for the situation. Blaming everybody, that is why we can never be part of this struggle. That is why you cannot even, you will not even get any contribution when I don't even put for the first thing, not to concern, not get any reason not to you be part of the struggle. What have you contributed? I've been at your view when you view for Facebook, I mean the contribution when you don't contribute. I mean as you use our video to entertain yourself, I mean the contribution when you don't contribute. Have you ever shared our video before? If they go to your wall, they'll see anything that has to do with Biafra. I want you to put a picture. I want you to put a picture where you have supported this as Freemason and the Kanu protest. Even in diaspora, I want you to show the picture of where you have supported Mazin and the Kanu in the protest of Freemason and the Kanu. I want to see the picture. Now they don't bring out the document now. Everybody don't mad. I told you they have said it. Nnamdi Kanu is no more alive. I don't think that is Nnamdi Kanu that is speaking. He's dead. He's this one. He's that one. Igbo. Don't you think you need freedom more than an Igbo man? Don't you think you are supposed to be in the forefront more than an Igbo man? Don't you think so? these people are very wicked. Or not they see it from the perspective when they see it from. You don't see it from the perspective I'm seeing these things from. These people are wicked in nature. Let's assume up until now, in 2021, Igbo people are the only people agitating for freedom. Then I go see okay, let's see how it goes. But every part of that country, everybody is agitating for freedom, except the so-called South. Except the so-called South. And they are quiet and they intentionally don't want to speak about anything that has to do with freedom. They are even participating in sabotaging because they don't want this struggle to succeed. They don't want it to succeed. They are the most wicked people in Nigeria. They are more wicked than Fulani people. The people from the so-called South, they are more wicked, more evil, more dangerous than Fulani. More evil than the Fulani people. I don't need a seer to tell me. I don't need a seer, I don't need a prophet to tell me. Their body language, their attitude have shown it all. Have shown it all. And I've been raising alarm concerning this thing for a very long time. Don't they raise alarm concerning the body language and the silent and okay attitude of the so-called South. Concerning this struggle, I've been raising alarm concerning this issue. I'm speaking out today. There are a lot of Hausa people who are speaking out. Even before all the Yoruba people started their agitation, there are a lot of Yoruba people who were speaking and they were not Biafrans. They say, I'm a Yoruba man, but I want Biafran to be restored. Sometimes they use the word, I want the Igbo to be free. But because your nature from time immemorial, you are cursed people. These people from the so-called South, they are cursed people. You people are cursed people. You are blood, saboteur against freedom. They run from a bit. So anytime when I see freedom, they irritate on our body. They irritate on our body. They pain on our reach on our bone marrow. Una go find every mistake. Is it that una compromise? Make una sell that una come pipeline gather, or una go sabotage the whole thing, scatter the thing. Una be very ruthless people, true to God. Continue parading yourself, warlord. And so person, I take a term is from my village. He's a warlord. I take a term boy. Continue licking their anus. Continue to lick their anus like fools. Continue licking their anus. Continue following the warlord for Nyash like Mumu. All you wait there for their backyard and then they gather the give Fulani. They gather the give Jaja with people. Guards went there for their backyard and they gather the give Jaja with people. If you cannot go to any place in Delta State, in River State, in Bayelsa, where you go see village to village, where you go see mini bridge. No. Now small canoe. Some people they even use basin. Take them from one place to another. They will sit down for inside basin. Take man over, follow that place, go that place. But now get warlord, when they guard on a property, they give them. The army, they where they guard, where they guard pipeline for the so-called Niger Delta. The army, then where they gather, in order to guard the life and properties of the so-called citizens of Nigeria. You know they mark security where they guard them. They are special trained security to guard those properties. That place na not go area. Na not go area. I'm from oil producing state. I travel all the way from Niger to Sokoto to Niger to Libya to Europe, from Mediterranean Sea, oil producing area. And some idiot on this social media say you don't have document, and I asylum seeker, and you want it to be hurting me. It's not hurting me. Do you know why? Because I'm not supposed to be an asylum seeker in France or in anywhere. I'm not supposed to be. Because I have what it takes in where I come from to live comfortably. I have what it takes. But am I opportune to live comfortably? Was I okay? Didn't I run 440? Not be 440, I run come out for Africa to call Europe. Is it okay for anyone to seek asylum in this place? Is there any of you that came, even if you have passport today? Didn't you start from asylum seeking? Is it normal for you? You were once an asylum seeker. You are an immigrant till tomorrow. You are still an immigrant with your passport. You are still an immigrant in Europe. Are you not ashamed of yourselves? You don't grow old, bro. Go do enter all of una brain. Home not let una go. Home not let una go. Una won't die for Europe. No, don't see fine cemetery when they want to bury una for that place. Watch your do my nyash. Watch your papa nyash. Don't hold for Europe, no gree go. Because you don't get home to go. You don't have home to go. Abroad good, abroad good. People fought for it. People died for it. People sacrificed for it. People sacrifice for it. I can stay for 2 months without working and government will be paying me. People work their ass out to get to that stable system that you are enjoying. People suffered for it. Your evil will destroy you. Your evil will destroy you because the sun will surely rise. The sacrifice that they have made will not go down in vain. There's no amount of your hate, your amount of body language of saboteurs, the amount of an uncaring attitude you have been showing through this struggle that will put an end to this struggle. The sun must surely rise. The sun must surely rise. The sun will surely rise, I repeat. Because this whole sacrifice cannot just go down in vain. It cannot go down in vain. I don't have mouth to attack Janjaweed or federal government of Nigeria because of una demonic attitude. And the killing where they don't kill rich for the middle belt. All the pack people when they don't kill, all the genocide and everything when they don't do for middle belt. Janjaweed see maneuver themselves. Confirmation say they go remove the tag of religious violence in Nigeria. Have you never seen and say the trend? You never see and say the trend. Now it go man see go tell go tell America make they remove tag of this thing, tag of terror religious violence for Nigeria. Now it go man spend money put. That is how you two will be slaughtered. When you are slaughtered, they will use money to cover it. That is how you will be slaughtered. Then Janjaweed will carry money to the USA with una oil and gas when they for una land. They will go and close their mouths. Nothing will happen. Because some of them, we got to take this matter to international court. At the international court, and they are not coming to nowhere. They are not coming to nowhere. They go slaughter all of una. They go use money buy them. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. The massacre when it happened for Benue State, I don't think it has happened in the history of the Zoological Republic. Now they don't cover up so. It means say they're not going to discuss that issue again for lie. There has never been violence against religious Christians in Nigeria. That is what it means. It has been erased. It has been erased. They do it as if they are getting justice from the EndSARS protest. And they use that justice, they collect one and use another one, hit una. They pretend that they give una justice for EndSARS protest. People went there for EndSARS protest. They reach half of the Christians when they kill for the north. It reach half of the Christians when they fight for the north. And they ask, people when they kill for EndSARS protest, it reach 1/4 of the people wey die for the north, for the middle belt, or wey see they die till today. Why come be say na EndSARS protest? Na that one I call them for fun, I call them for picture. Una no get sense. Una no get sense at the asuna. Udi massacre, when the massacre for Bayelsa State, people wey die for Udi massacre, people wey die for Lekki toll gate, it reach half of people wey die for that place. The reach half of the people wey die for that place at the Asuna. Udi massacre. That you people now, you came outside to fight for the source control. At the end of the day, you were giving amnesty. People that died on the process of amnesty. It reached for people wey die for Lekki State. Did you get justice? Those people, now the blood of those people go dey hunt tonight, go dey hunt Asare Tokubo, go dey hunt Ateketon, e go dey hunt Topolo, e go dey hunt all of una wey involve. e go dey hurt all of una wey involve for the blood of innocent people wey una sabotage, wey dey slaughter like chicken by the federal government of Nigeria, wey dey slaughter like chicken. Na e go dey hurt una for the rest of una life. E go hurt una children join. Did you get justice? Eh? Did you get justice? I ask. You are getting justice for EndSARS protest. It's not bad. But with justice for one and justice for all, why are they giving justice to some and living and they leave some? People who not live in IDP camp, people who not live in forest, people who have fled their homes. And they're not supposed to get justice? Now, because of that thing that happened that makes Nigeria to get the tag of the most country where the violence against religion, Christians, they have finally removed it. It means those people, they did not get justice. No justice. All your energy is channeled on how IPOB is going to fail. The activity that is going on in Nigeria is no longer business anymore. Do not channel your miserable attention on seeing IPOB to fail. I want to use this media to tell every one of you. Biafrans, IPOB to be precise. Everything one of they see for social media, now plan. Everything one of they see for everywhere. See, let me tell you, the strategy to get Biafra is not only to sit at home. That one na number one first key. Nobody they dispute that one. But they are more to sit at home. They are more to boycott. They are more to a lot of strategies can be dished out for in order for us to for our leader to be released, in order for us to get freedom. So whatever you are seeing in that place, especially IPOB family member, is to demoralize you. Is to make you come out your call a lose hope. A lot of people are coming today, and I make some of them to understand. Biafra's freedom fight, Biafra's struggle for freedom is not be fought by emotion. When we saw the message from our leader today, there was misreaction. A lot of us reacted because it's normal for us to react because we love our leader. We love our leader, but you react to a certain stage, you calm down and gather more strength to move on, gather more energy to move on. Don't launch an attack on anybody or because you want to blame anybody for anything when they say they happen to our leader in that place. There's nothing anybody can do apart from re-strategizing or planning on how to go about it. It's not something we can use by power to just go there, go invade our leader, come up inside DSS custody. It's not something anybody can do like that. It's something we are supposed to put our eyes together. That is why the verse for Nwankwo, the verse for in many things they will make me the verse. That's why the verse for Nelly and the verse for all those people. And those people, they don't fit us. They only 5% if they don't know what they put our leader. I'm telling you the truth. Only 5%. Because now we need each other more. Now we need unity more. Now we need to get them more. But now that these people, now they start confusion on this social media. Some of you are saying focus, go where? Focus, go where? Nigerian government get relief today. It's because of Simon Ekpa and Nelly. They get a bit relief. They don't call they receive the attack. They call the terrorists on social media. They shout on top of their head. Now because of Simon Ekpa and Co. But you're not saying it from that perspective. It is because of them. All the activities that Nwankwo and Finland has been doing concerning exposing of Nigeria, he has not been doing it since our supreme leader was kidnapped. He now channeled his energy to be fighting us, to be fighting the whatever supreme leader. And I don't let you know say not only IPOB get the power to agitate or to strategize to remove our supreme leader from that place. That is why the federal government have employed Simon Ekpa and Nelly Ofego and Madam Yibo to make sure say they launch an attack on our IPOB leadership so that they will be confused, so that IPOB will be confused, IPOB will scatter, so that they will achieve their end because they don't want our leader to come outside to come and tell us what happened to him. They don't want it. Who enjoy attacking each other? Do you think we enjoy attacking these people? Or we are doing it purposely? Or we are doing it because we hate them? Nobody hates anybody. If the people are to be doing what they're supposed to be doing, nobody will come against them. Their plan is to destroy POB so that our leader will rot in that place. Their plan is to make sure say they feed the minds of the people with what they want here, so that our leader we can go and commit anything that will make our leader not to be easily to remove in the DSS custody. We will not see the activities for that place. Now, everything when our leader don't dish out, or the information when our leader don't bring out of DSS custody, I hardly see one go down and feel and publish it. I hardly see it. But this very one, he published it because 3 days ago he made a video, 2 days ago, yesterday, he made a video where he was speaking about this same thing. The lawyer have already, they already talk about that. So they are not being allowed to give our supreme leader floor. So to vindicate what he was saying, or to make the gullible to think that he know what he's doing or what he's saying, despite he was using it as a mockery, he quickly carry and go that place. When our leader said that it was not Kanu Takanu, in the IPOB leadership, and Carolina that sold him, you never published it. As a matter of fact, you say it's not our leader. Those messages are not from our leader. But this one came now, you quickly rush and put it. You have to release the leader. If you don't release the leader, you say you are going to give action. We are still waiting for the action. Even this time now that IPOB leadership are not doing what they're supposed to do, as you claim, that is when you're supposed to step in. Step in and do more better than this IPOB, and see if you are not going to get support for people like us. Be recruiting South people. Be recruiting South people to fight your people. By the time it will be done on you, after they have drawn you to destroy your people, and they will come for you. They will come for you because you are hopeless. All of you in that place, Nelly and Co and Madam, all of you are hopeless in that place. Continue recruiting them to fight your people. Continue. Continue encouraging them. Continue engineering them. When they are done with them, they will come for you and kill you too. And destroy you. Let's see how you destroy your brother with people who don't even know the meaning of freedom. Let's finish destroying them and see how they come and destroy you too. You have been in America for the past how many years? Living in Maryland. You don't hold. Has no let him go. All of you are waiting for that America. Not be all of you, some of you, especially they say in Maryland. In that Maryland. All of you in that place, that is where the federal government of Nigeria, they carry money, they go. The state governor, all the all crazy, all of them, and now they come, call the down. Now they hardcore saboteur, they migrate from. Now they for America, and they see the way America they fortune. I wanted to make it say if the USA people stand up to come and fight for Biafra, say Biafra go there easier for us to go. But the only stand up when American people stand up, now saboteur stand up. Sabotaging stand up. The only involvement that the majority of the people in Biafrans in America involved in Biafra struggle is a sabotage. Sabotaging. Sabotaging. Yes, I no dispute that one. She said, "Now let me dey shout IPOB for the better state." That is why I write am for there. Say una be evil. No, you know they hear what I talk. So una be evil. You know they hear my language. I say una be evil. I say South people and their sabotage. The so-called data state, you know the part of the South. You know the part of the South. Abi they excluded. I say una Igbo go destroy una. You know they hear wetin I dey talk. Abi you dey join. You just dey join and dey ask. Thank you very much. If you now let me dey shout for that side, make una let me shout in peace now. As una no go front, una no get back, una dey stand still, una dey stagnant for that place. Una dey hopeless and useless and backward. Una no let people wey wan go forward go forward. As una continue to be backward and useless, una no let people wey wan go forward go forward. Yeah, fans, if una like to I have put the number there to if una want to give one or two contributions, so we call it a very slow tier. All he Biafra talk. Abuwa Biafra. Don't, my brother, don't. It's very disgusting. Yes, Odenigbo. It's not a problem. But that what I'm saying today is not to go to 2 million march now be the problem. That 2 million march now, you go see say na our Igbo Biafra na go food there. But you go see the social media. We Nnamdi Kanu, we love him. The savior of our time. The brother has sabotaged him. They have failed him. They have done this. We cannot do this. But when it comes to the same brothers, now they say they for front, they find every means to make sure say he's released. Now they say they for front to make sure say he's released. Now then they fight tooth and nail to make sure say Nnamdi Kanu is released. Where are the so-called South that want action, that want everything done in a 3-quarter time? Where are they? Even in this time when our supreme leader is being kidnapped, majority of them that are on social media saying we need action, we need action. I have not seen them appear in any protest for Nnamdi Kanu release. Have you seen? Very few. I can name them. Very few of us on this social media who have appeared in that place. Very few of us. I can name them. Listen to John Igbo. Call in if you want to air your view concerning the this thing will come out today for our leaders visit. If you want to talk about it, come and talk about it. If also you want to contribute for what I don't talk so far, you are from the so-called South, or you they see yourself and they see, come and air your view. These people are so hopeless. The so-called Sasa people, they are useless. They're useless to the core. Useless to the core. The number is there. Biafra, God knows. Faith those. You are supposed to be the one that are supposed to be ashamed of your backward life. You are supposed to be ashamed of your backward life. If you are tired for Biafra struggle, may you get yourself come up for roads. If you are tired, come on yourself for roads. These DOS were there when our Supreme Leader was arrested in 2015, in 2017. When he was missing in 2017, when he was arrested in 2015, they were the one that was there. Your father not there. Your father, he was not there. Your father was not part of them. They fought gallantly, they sustained everything, and our Supreme Leader was released. He was never in the picture. That is why I'm very, very angry with Nwagbuta, because all these things when they go on today, so when both mad people don't even know what they are doing in IPOB or how they fight freedom, they are now accusing fighting IPOB. Simon Ekpa and Nelly Ofegbo and Madam Ibo, they instigate her. Now they instigate her. Now they start her from the beginning. Now they instigate her. Now they plant this thing for the minds of everybody. That is why Simon Ekpa will never have peace for his life. He will never have peace for his life. Nelly will never have peace in her life. Now they instigate this rubbish. Because I cannot come on social media constant as people like the Simon now what they talk about and Nelly Ofegbo now what they talk about. If they say these people they're not there for the picture. Everybody for put heads together and see how we can move forward. And they move forward, they do things the way we're supposed to do. They give the avenue to Nigerian government, to Nigerian DSS, to people who have fallen out of IPV for Biafra Togo. People who have they give the avenue of them to come and be launching an attack on the struggle. All of you will never have peace. Now me they tell you now. The network not there okay. Man not fit cut through. It's possible. Hello. Hello. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening, Maggie. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening. All right, Biafra.
Biafra. They hear what you they talk for social media, Facebook, about Simon Ekpa. That man they give us problem for this our struggle. That man they give us problem. Well. Hello, you dey hear me?
We dey hear you talk, Mazi. Concentrate.
Okay,
talk.
so that the man they give us problem well for our struggle. For where he they carry himself go, I don't know. Where he they carry himself go, I don't know. If I'm the head of DOS, I will sack that man immediately. I will not even hesitate.
He's not IPOB member. You know the yeah. He's not an IPOB member. How now want me to sack person will not be IPOB member?
Yes, of course, we know that he's not an IPOB member, but we're supposed to make it official so that everybody will know. So that whatever he's saying and people that are listening to him, they are doing it on behalf of themselves.
They have
That's what
made
I'm
it clear
trying to
now.
say.
They have made it clear. The Nelly has been expelled. He's now working with Simon Ekpa. He's now working with all of them. How else do you want them? He was released from our, excuse me, he was blocked from our Supreme Leaders platform, from our Supreme Leader Twitter handle. How else do you want them to say it for Biafra to understand that this guy is a saboteur? How else do you want the
Of
leadership
course, of course, he's a he's a pure saboteur. But because I have called him in one of his programs to tell him, yes, if he want to do Biafra struggle, he should go and open his own. People that want to follow him will follow him. But he should not come into IPOB and start giving us headache. Because when he started, everybody loves him. Immediately our leader was kidnapped. He just changed overnight, and he just changed overnight. So all these things that he's doing is bringing a division in our struggle. And we, the IPOB members, we know how we started since 2014. Since 2014, I don't know the kind of person he is. So we should know how to handle that guy. If possible, we should. If possible, we should. Everybody we should start bringing his pictures down and on his program that we shared before. We start bringing it down and start stamping him wanted. I believe from there we will go a very long way. And concerning of the Niger Delta of 18 of
Niger
all
Delta
these
of 18,
people
that's
calling
what they
themselves
just
Niger
used.
Delta.
South of 18.
So I believe when I was in secondary school there in Asaba, I know how they behave. I know how they talk. I know that whenever they include them in this struggle, that is how it's going to be. But I know that there's some people inside them that have the heart to go forward on this our struggle. Do you understand? Because I heard one guy like that. I don't know where he is. He's in London or something like that. He's talking about there is no Radio Biafra in some part of Niger Delta area, and I was thinking of him trying to say let him and his people donate money to get radio for their people so that they can be able to listen to Radio Biafra. But at the end of the day, he didn't say anything about that. I said they did not give them radio. They did not give them, as if some part of so-called Southeast, some of them do donate for their people to get Radio Biafra in their areas.
You don't know why I'm angry tonight. Finish, Mazi. That is another point you just raised. That is another point you just raised now. Everything want to be done by. Go ahead, Mazi.
So they should. So everybody should sit down and look at the picture of what is playing on now. Because there's some time our leader will be broadcasting. Someone will say, Mazi, let's go and do this, let's go and Mazi will say, he's not ready now. Is it now that he's not in the picture that everybody wants to go for that war? That is what Simon did not even think about.
No, Simon want our leader to die in DSS dojo. That is like Simon's intention. That is Nelly's intention. They want our leader to be there forever and ever. So that is why they are doing everything possible to disorganize everything.
If our leader did not take this thing easy, gradually, he want to fight maybe in 2014 when he was, 2017 when he was released. He would have fight, but this is not a time when he. Man, I'm very angry. Let me just drop no other stuff. Okay. Thank you there.
Thank you. Very soon, I'm going to start to the lay course on those Igbo Biafra and then when they Zuzu, I start to the lay course on una because it be like say una brain, they mash am for ground. When it comes to installation of what do they call am? Installation of decoder for this thing is as in you as in una need to provide am. When e come to go and protest, una go dey for forefront. When e come to wetin dem dey call am, to accuse of saboteur, na una dey go accuse. When e come to there's no radio in Bayelsa, there's no radio in Akwa Ibom, there's no radio in Delta State, na una dey go accuse. Una go see the people they talk the matter in a very aggressive matter. Not be say that they talk like let's see how we can put it together, let's see how we can move forward, or even bring it as a suggestion and see individual of these people they can see how they can gather their people from their various places. Like the whole coastal region now, the whole coastal region, I go fit tell you say we get people when they work for Delta State. Not that I dey talk am because I come from Delta State. There are a lot of things that is going on in Delta State wey no dey go on for any other state for the so-called coastal region. I go fit use my hand hit chest for that one. I don't know because maybe places like Asaba, all those places, or Okwane people that they involved because all of them they are Igbos. Maybe now make the thing they dey very very much effective like that. The only place when you see the champion where before na be Igbocha. Before we come they massacre people up and down. But I can tell you that a lot is going on in Delta State. I might not be the part of the team of the people when they do it, but I know say there is a lot that is going on in that place. What are other states doing? What in other states they do? What in they do? Now to come outside they criticize. I know they try to come on good Delta State for it, but the reason why I will not just totally rule that Delta State and because of people when they like people like Okwane people, like Asaba people, that is why we not totally rule them because those people they are doing a lot. They are doing a lot. Even the Isokos, they are doing a lot. The Isokos for Delta State, the people in Asaba State, in Asaba, sorry, and Okwane people, now me they tell you, they are doing a lot. You be on social media, there is no transmitter here, there is no transmitter there, there is no transmitter there. The Igbo people, there be na sacrificial lamb. There be sacrificial lamb for now. Hello. Hello. Good evening, Mazi. Hello.
Yeah, I'm talking. Can I talk now?
Please go ahead. Go ahead.
I just wanna ask you one question.
Go ahead.
What do you think Biafra will deliver to? What's the main aim for this fight for Biafra? To your own understanding.
You said what? Come again.
What is the aim for the fight for Biafra? To have Biafra, what is the aim?
After having Biafra, what is the aim?
What's the purpose? What do you think is going to deliver? What
It's
is
freedom.
the purpose?
The struggle for Biafra is for freedom.
So what kind of freedom? Like, I know freedom is a general word. So what freedom from what?
Freedom of an independent state of our own, to govern ourselves, to govern everything that we have, to live on our own, to decide our fate, to do things on our own, so that we will control whatever resources that we have. It will not be channeled to the British. It will not be ruled by migrant Fulanis. And Urobo man can be deciding whatever that happens in Urobo land. Same thing goes. That is the purpose of the struggle for Biafra.
Okay, just now I get what you're saying. Now, can I just also tell you that the local government that you come from,
Yeah.
there is an allocation that they get. Now, have you asked, since your purpose is to see that those resources that you have locally are managed properly. Now, when those resources are released to your local government, have you thought about these people who belong to the Biafra, who are Igbos, have they been able to manage those resources they have currently themselves very well?
Which resources are you talking about? Name one of the resources you are talking about. Because as an individually resources that is being generated by an individual Igbo man they are being properly managed by themselves. That is why you cannot see it. Let me listen. That is why that common Igbo man left for that common Igbo man to earn a, as in to live a better life is not a problem. But we are looking for we are looking for a place, or what we are fighting for is a fight of whatever that is coming, that is supposed to be the responsibility of a government, is being done by the government. That is why we are fighting in this place. If the resources that is being the revenue coming out from the local government that you say the Igbos the Igbos, if it's being properly managed, we won't be agitating. The agitation that we are agitating in this place is against the government.
Sorry, you just said if it is properly managed.
Yes, if it is properly managed, we won't be agitating. So that is the purpose of the agitation.
That's good. That's good. But currently, who are the ones responsible to manage it as a local government? Is it the Igbos, or is it not the Igbos that are meant to manage it, or what?
Where are you where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Anambra State.
Okay, you are from Anambra State. It is the Igbo that are supposed to be. Listen, it is the Igbo that are supposed to manage it, or the people that are still in charge of the maybe governor, or senator, and minister. They are the people that are supposed to manage it. And which people are we fighting, or are we attacking, or are we fighting to live to as in which people are we fighting against now? Which people are we fighting against?
So are you fighting against? I think that what you're fighting for is for the people of indigenous people of Biafra to be able to manage their resources. Is that not what you say?
Yes.
So these governors that you're talking about, are they not indigenous people of Biafra?
They are indigenous. Listen, they are indigenous, but they are currently. Listen to me. Listen to me. Yes, they are not managing it. Listen to me. They are not managing it because currently they are under Nigeria. We have not got an independence yet. They are indigenous people of Biafra, but presently they are serving the Nigerian state. They are serving the Nigerian state. Yes.
Are you saying that it's the Nigerian state that will tell the governor in Abia State not to do the roads, the local roads?
Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Yes, they are.
Anyway, can I ask you one more question?
Go ahead.
Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer just released that information.
Yeah.
Now, this information looks to me like an information that they have had over a time. It's not like they just got it now. You get what I mean?
Okay.
So my concern is this.
Yeah.
Why is it that all along that they've been going to court, and even the last court meeting they had, they were unable to initiate those concerns to the judge?
Mm-hmm.
Instead, they wanted to take pictures. They said they wanted to protest, when in court to defend their client.
Yeah.
Then why is it now that they have seen, that they were unable to stay in the court when they were given opportunity?
Yes.
Now they are releasing that information to the media.
Yes.
When that information should be going to the judge and not the media.
Yes. Okay.
Do you think that's a good strategy for them to leave the court?
Listen. Are you part of the legal team? Are you part of the IPOB legal team? No, it's just a no. Listen, it's just a yes or no. Are you part? Okay.
But I'm just concerned.
Okay, listen. Are you to listen to me, my brother. Listen to me. Are you to tell them how to go about their strategy of how to get the leader of indigenous people, the supreme leader of indigenous people? Are you to tell them the strategy? Are you to tell them the strategy how to go about it? Are you to tell them when to release and when not to release? Are you the one to tell them? Are you in the position to tell them when to release the information or when not to release the information?
As a member of IPOB, I'm asking you as a member of IPOB, are you not concerned?
No, my only concern is the document that was released today. The only concern is our leader those alarm that was raising, those things need to be put. They need to be attend to. They need to attend to those things. But I'm not concerned about when and how it was released, I'm not concerned about it. Those things need to be attended to because I'm not part of the legal team. They choose to release those things when it's necessary for them to release it. They choose to release it when it was necessary for them to release it. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead.
The fight for Biafra is, a general fight. Is it a person? Like, I don't know how to just put this, but what I'm
Put it
trying
out,
to say
however.
is,
Put it however you want to put it.
now you're fighting for Biafra,
Yeah.
okay? Now, have you thought about what if Nnamdi Kanu is not available anymore?
Yeah.
Is there a structure? Is this whole fight about, because everything I hear you guys talk about is about Nnamdi Kanu. There is less talk about even the Biafra fight. You're just fighting for Nnamdi Kanu. So if it is no more there, is this fight for Biafra going to be a forgotten thing?
No, it will not. It will not. But the reason why we mostly talk about him because we know he's still there. We are still seeing he's alive. We also need to go for his. We also need to agitate for his release. But whatever other activity that is going on for the restoration of Biafra, because you are not part of the family or you are not part of the struggle, you might probably not know the duty for us for the activities for us to agitate for our supreme leader's release. It is our duty as the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. That is what we are doing. That is why you always hear us speak about our supreme leader. If at the same time, listen to me. If at the same time today you come on social media, we are talking about other things like Biafra, you don't see us mention our supreme leader. I believe the same you will also come to this platform and say, Efe, have you people forgotten your supreme leader in the DSS custody? I'm very sure that you are going to ask that same question too, my brother. I'm very sure you're going to ask me.
I like the fact that you are also talking about your leader, but what I want to ask you guys is this. You people talk, everything that you say is about, if Nnamdi Kanu, he is our leader. These guys that you call the DOA, okay? The people that you say you have in your structures, do they have independent power on their own to do things, or they have to also rely on Nnamdi Kanu for them to do anything they have to do? No, in that means
No, you don't. Wait, listen. You are asking me question. Don't say it don't me. You are asking me question. You allow me to answer it. Don't ask me question at the same time you answer the question yourself. You ask me if the IPOB structure, if they have an independent power to do things on their own, they are still depending on our supreme leader. Like I said, there is a command that our supreme leader gave before he was kidnapped. In one of his brokers, he said, "Any day you find me and you did not see me," he said, "burn down the zoo." But some people are using that phrase today to use it against the leadership, or use it to encourage the gullibles amongst us. Supreme leader is still there. We still have his legal team who take message to him and who bring out message to him. Now, a lot of things, a lot of option to go on a civil disobedience has been initiated by the leadership. At the same time, those things, I believe they didn't consult our supreme leader approval or our supreme leader consent before those things were initiated. That is why a superior order will come and they will say, okay, we cannot go above the superior order. That is why you see most of these times you see say, okay, we cancel sit at home, we suspend sit at home, okay, people can no longer sit at home, we will not go on the 5-day sit at home. If our supreme leader is not there anymore, there is already laid down structure that will lead us directly to the restoration of Biafra. So the reason why the leadership are still waiting or still taking directive from our supreme leader is because he's still very, very much alive. He still remains the supreme leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, and is the higher authority or power in the present in the restoration of Biafra, because he's still very much alive, and he's going to remain so until otherwise.
So your supreme supreme leader, I'll just say this, then another question. Your supreme leader is alive for sure.
Yeah.
But I'm sure you know that your supreme leader is in detention.
Yes, he's in detention, yes.
So, and also, can I ask you again about yourself? This is now about yourself. So, in the past, you've made some video where you condemn the activities of the DOS, especially someone like China Sanwo-Olu, and finally you came back to say, you were.
No, I don't want to cut him off. I want to talk with him. Yes, go ahead. Yes, go ahead.
So I just want to know, how do you think that, what is it going to look like?
I know it's not from Anambra State. I know it's not from Anambra State, but I just want to engage him. Go ahead. Yeah, you said I once.
So
you said I once. Yes, go ahead.
So what I'm saying is, in the past you've talked very bad about, China Sanwo-Olu and all that in your videos. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
Now, if moving forward, you're now trying to defend China Sanwo-Olu and DSS that you've talked bad about in the
I'm
past.
not defending DSS. Listen. I'm not defending DSS. Listen. No. Let me correct you first. I'm not defending DSS. I'm defending Directorate of State of Indigenous People of Biafra, DOS.
Okay, DOS.
Sorry,
your DOS. Now, what I'm saying is, what about, how do you think people are going to trust you that also tomorrow you are not going to come back probably and say, no, what I was saying before is not true? Because it looks like, you are unstable in your. It looks like someone tells you something to do, you do.
Yeah.
And if you're not getting paid by that person more, you go to another group and you follow that group. So there's no consistency in what you are saying. So you are with this party today, tomorrow you shift to another group. Finally, can I ask you?
Yeah.
DOS talks more about the negotiation that they are having, and they are happy that there's no APC in Anambra.
Yeah.
Now, I want to know if the fight that they are fighting a political fight in terms of party, do they have a party that they are leaning to? Probably they are leaning to, PDP or, whatever party that they feel.
Okay, wait. You just listen. I don't want to forget your question. Listen, you just asked two questions. Wait, let me answer the first one, and I will answer the second one, then we round it up. First of all, you asked me if I was a time made a video to attack Mazi China Sanwo-Olu. And those period that I made those videos, Mazi China Sanwo-Olu was not the only person I attacked. I attacked a lot of people, especially in the leadership of IPOB. And later on, and I was not the only person who were attacking people. I remember where Mazi China Sanwo-Olu also called, said on Radio Biafra that Mazi Kanuta, that he sold his brother. That was at the neutral stage, that every one of us was thrown in a state of confusion due to how our supreme leader was kidnapped. Now, things started falling at place, like we are beginning to see the activities as everything was going. And I was with a particular people who I knew they were doing underground plan in order to destroy IPOB or fight against the structure of IPOB, which I was part of them. I was part of them at that time. I never knew where they were going. All the information that was giving me as an Biafran activist, I couldn't manage it. I couldn't manage those information. And those information, I came outside to dish those information out. And I found out that those information were lies, because as time goes on, I see things unfolding. I saw things unfolding, and I said, no, listen to me. Listen. No, it doesn't mean that I didn't verify my information. The reason why it was like that, because these people also were very close to our leader. Our leader mentioned their name on daily basis. There is no way I could have feel or think that these people are saboteur. It was later on I found out that they were saboteur. There was a voice note of Nelly that later came outside, where he was trying to convince China Sanwo-Olu, the same China Sanwo-Olu, that they convinced me to go and attack, that he's eating ESM money. There was a voice note that came outside to confirm how Nelly was trying to convince Chinasa Nworu. So I've never seen anywhere where anybody have done wrong, or where anybody don't go wrong when he find out that this thing is not true. I made a mistake and retrieve his step to say no, what I was doing is wrong. I realize and I'm back. I never seen anyone as in anything where they wrong for that one.
This is not the first time you've made mistake.
How?
You've
When?
made mistake before.
How? When? How? When? When was that? When was that?
This other group that you called before that you said you were with them in the past,
Yeah.
you know, that they also finally had a problem. So what I'm saying
Those
is,
listen, those group. Let me tell you. Listen, those group. Listen to me. Those group. Listen to me, my brother. Those group in those time is different from this one. Those one, our leader was there.
Okay.
Our leader was out there. He was able to as in quench it at the neutral time. And that one, I did not go this far. I did not attack the structure of IPOB. I only spoke about individuals that was there. The late Okoro, the man is dead. I know you will not know him because you are not part of the struggle, so you will not know him. He's a late Okoro. I only attacked a very few people. And later on, I found out that this is what they were doing. And it was very easy for me to detect because they were not close to our leader. And these people, they go straight. They never pretend that they love our leader and they were fighting for Biafra. No, just like Simon Ekpa, just like Nelly Ofuegbu, just like Madam Yibo, they are pretending to love our leader. They are pretending to be part of the struggle. So it will be very difficult for you to detect those kind of people. Those women, I detected them early because they showed themselves early. Listen to me. All our conversation, it was an attack on our leader. So I easily discovered them. This was a very arranged plan to come and destroy. Even they almost succeeded in confusing the leadership. That made them to lie to the leadership that the account was reported. That made the leadership to support them to go and open Umueri accounts. So I was not the only person that was misled by these people, including Simon Ekpa.
Sorry to just cut you. Hello, sorry to just cut you. There is information that says that DOS members get paid by the money that is contributed by IPOB members.
Yeah.
Can you tell me if DOS members, if they get, are they salary paid by IPOB?
Do IPOB have money to pay anybody's salary? Do you know how many members of DOS is there? No, do you know how many members of DOS? Do you know how many are there? Do you know how many are there?
No, I'm not interested. I just wanted to confirm that.
No, that is what I'm saying. I said, do IPOB have money to pay salary to anybody? Are we controlling? Do we have anywhere we get revenue from Biafra land as we speak?
So, but also, can IPOB buy laptop for you to use for your broadcast?
IPOB have not buy laptop for me to use for my broadcast. IPOB have not buy laptop for donation.
If you are making any money from your broadcast, does it go to you personally or it goes to IPOB?
Presently, I've not started making money from IPOB, from my broadcast. I recently, Facebook. Listen.
There are people who make money in IPOB like Simon Ekpa.
Simon Ekpa is not IPOB. So don't be including Simon Ekpa inside IPOB.
He normally talk about IPOB, but does he make money from that talk that he's talking?
Yeah, he do. A lot of it.
So if he makes that money, does he put it back to IPOB?
I don't know. I'm not sure because he's not a member. He don't pay dues, so I don't think so.
What it means that Simon Ekpa uses a propaganda that puts the lives of people in Igbo land in danger and get them killed and he make money out of it. Is that what it means?
Come again.
Now, what I'm saying is, does it mean that Simon Ekpa makes money from his broadcast that is a propaganda broadcast that puts the lives of people who are in Igbo land in danger or kill some of them and he makes money out of it to himself?
No, Simon Ekpa has not been doing any propaganda to kill anybody in Biafra land. The only mission that Simon Ekpa came for, that the federal government or the Southeast government called, asking to come and do, is to come and destabilize IPOB. He has not been giving any propaganda to kill anybody, because he cannot give any order for any youth or anybody to go out in Biafra land. So he has not given any order for any youth to be killed. He's doing what he's doing to come and he's making money out of propaganda to peddle false information against IPOB, to brainwash the minds of innocent, gullible ones, or the people, the vulnerable ones, to start to launch an attack on IPOB and the leadership. That is what he's doing.
So can I ask, in terms of money contribution, it looks like someone like Nelly, Mommy Ariwa, and all those other people from America has contributed, more money in IPOB than even the DOS. Does that sound like something that is true?
What do you mean by Mommy Ariwa and some people in America? Mommy Ariwa, is she not part of the DOS? Was she not part of the DOS?
And Mommy Ariwa and Nelly,
listen to me. How can people who just came yesterday contribute more than people who have come 10 years ago money? How did they do it?
So are you saying that the members of DOS has contributed more money?
Larger money than any group of anybody in that place when they call themselves for anybody? Yes. The answer is yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Anyway, thank you for your time.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, Colin. I know it's not from Anambra, it's not from Imo State or Anambra State. I just choose to engage you. Oh, my phone don't go down. Oh, Chaise. Oh, wait, let me go and get the charger. 1 minute. Let me go and get the charger.